How to stream on Kick with Streamlabs. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to stream with your Kick account here using Streamlabs. So the first thing that you do is you actually need to install Streamlab into your computer and sign in into your account here. So this is how it would look like once you have successfully downloaded Streamlabs. So what you can do is you can actually just click on Start Fresh here. And then just skip all these details, or you can continue with choosing these steps or just going with these steps so that you'll be able to know how it would go. So you'll be choosing a plan. They actually have a free plan, and that's what we will be starting with. And then from here, what you can do is you actually need to go to settings. That is on the lower right or lower left corner of the screen rather. Here, just right above your profile. Once you will go to settings, you will actually need to go to the left side panel of the screen here where there's an option for you to stream. But before that, you actually need to set your video settings first on what type of format the video would be. Make sure it's 1920 by 1080 here as well in the output. And here with the downscale filter, it should be bicubic. And here on the FPS, it should be common. So let's just change that here. So common FPS values, and on the common FPS scales or the values, it should be 60 frames per second. And once you are on, or once you're done with the video settings, you just need to go to stream settings where you will choose custom stream view and go to your Kick account, go to your settings on the creator dashboard rather, and just go to settings here on the left side panel of the screen and just click on stream key. And what you need to do is copy your stream URL and the stream key into your Streamlab settings for streaming. So here, the stream type should be custom streaming server, and then copy and paste the URL and copy and paste the stream key here. And once done, just click on the done button on the lower right corner of the screen. And that's it. So once you're done, you just need to choose source on what the application the streaming would be from, whether it's from a game or anything that you want to do for streaming, or whether it's recorded or you want to do live streaming, you can definitely do so. You just need to choose a source so that when you go live, it will be successful. So as you can see here, for you to go live, you need a source so that you will be able to successfully stream onto your Kick account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!